You jumped in the stinky pot at your baby school?
I eat lunch and I eat lunch. I don't to gym.
You went to the gym at your school?
Show us what you did at the gym.
I did hop.
Show us what you did at the gym. Huh?
What did you do? Oh, a handstand.
Show me again.
Oh.
Yay, good job. What friends were at school yesterday?
Mia and Kyle and me.
Mm-hmm. And what'd you guys do?
We play toys and books.
Mm-hmm. Do you like your school?
Yeah. I don't feel anymore.
You don't want to go to school anymore?
Mommy, Sophie. Mommy, answer. Mommy.
Yeah, what?
Up here. Oh, I had my potty.
You didn't get a potty treat?
Yeah.
Oh, Ileana, is that true?
Yes.
Smell her breath.
Ileana, let me smell your breath. Is it going to smell like peanut butter?
No.
Ileana.
Chocolate.
Smell it. Wait a minute.
Let's see.
Ileana, I see potty treat on your mouth.
Let's see picture.
Yes, you can see.